Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see the unit exercise of our third chapter, simple equations. Here the questions are: first problem, choose the correct answer. Okay, so first one, which of the following numbers satisfy the given equation -6 plus m equals to -10? Here, so what is the number in the place of m? If we substitute, it will equals to -10. So clearly 6 plus 4 is 10. Here minus is there na? And -6. C is the answer. We can say like that. Otherwise, you can solve and check. So the first option is 2. So -6 plus 2 means here both the integers have different signs. Before big number minus is there. So minus 6 minus 2, 4. So here -4. It is not the answer. And coming to here, -6 plus 4. This is -2. Here both the numbers have same signs. So just add and give that sign. It is -10. And -6 plus of -2. -6 is there. We have to add -2. So -8. So what is the answer here? -4. M equals to -4. So option C is the correct one. Second one, the equation having -2 as a solution. Okay, that means if we substitute -2 in the place of x, the equation must be satisfied. That means LHS equals to RHS. అంటే ఏ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో మనకి -2 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే LHS RHS సేమ్ అవుతుంది అనేది క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ -2 plus 2, 0. And 3 into -2, -6. 7 minus 6, 1. It is satisfied. So here option B is the correct one. Okay, if we check further, 2 into -2, -4. -4 plus 3, -1. So it's not right. Here -2 plus 1, -1. 2 into -1, -2. That is not equals to 4. You can check like that. Okay, see -2 plus 2, 0. And 3 into -2, -6 plus into minus. So 7 minus 6, 1. LHS equals to RHS here. 1 equals to 1. So option B is the correct one. So -4 plus 3. It is -1. So -1 not equals to 7. And 2 into -1. That is -2 not equals to 4. Okay. So option B is the correct one. Third one, if A and B are positive integers, then the solution of the equation AX is equal to B will always be a positive number, negative number, 1, 0. See here, if AX is equal to B, then X is equal to B by A, right? If we transpose A to this side. So, in the division of numbers, if both are positive, then the result also positive. They told here A and B are positive integers. So, here the answer is a positive number. Fourth one, the equation which cannot be solved in integers. Here 4 equations are there, no? So, we want to find out what is the equation that is not having the solution as integer. Okay, ఈ 4 ఈక్వేషన్స్ లో ఆన్సర్ అనేది ఇంటీజర్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి. అంటే ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ లాగా వచ్చినా దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంటీజర్ కదా. వాట్ ఆర్ ఇంటీజర్స్? ఇంటీజర్స్ ఆర్ నథింగ్ బట్ నెగటివ్ నంబర్స్, 0 and positive numbers. These 3 are called integers, right? So let us solve and see. First one, 2 into x minus 3 equals to 10. So if we multiply 2 into x, 2x, minus 2 into 3, 6 is equal to 10. Then 2x equals to here 10. If we transpose minus 6, it will be plus 6. So 2x equals to 18. Then x is equal to 18 by 2. That is 9. So 9 is a positive number and it is integer. Okay. So x by 3 equals to 15. Then x is equal to 5 into 3. 3 is under division. If we transpose, it comes under multiplication. So x equals to 15. Again, it is also integers. Okay. 5 minus 3m equals to 1. So minus 3m equals to 1. If we transpose, it is minus 5. Minus 3m, 1 minus 5, minus 4. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Then m equals to 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is not an integer. If we division this 4 with 3, 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. So it is point, decimal point. So we can add 0. 3 3s are 9. So again 1 will comes. So it is not, it do not have an end point. It continues like that. So 1.333 is not an integer, right? So integer means normal numbers and negative numbers 0. Okay, but it is in the fractional form. So it is not an integer. So option C is correct for this fourth one. Okay, so this is fourth one here. So similarly, we'll check this also. 2k equals to 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. K equals to 0 by 2. 0 by something is 0 only. Here k equals to 0. 0 is an integer. So here the option is C is the correct one. So fifth one, which of the following is not allowed in a given equation? Okay. So first, adding the same number to both sides of the equation, it is allowed. Subtracting the same number from both sides, it is also allowed. And multiplying both sides of the equation by same non-zero number, yes, it is also allowed. And dividing both sides of the equation by the same number. Here, all are true if we see. Okay. So, students ఇది చదివినప్పుడు అన్నీ ట్రూనే కదా, డివైడ్ చేయొచ్చు, మల్టిప్లై చేయొచ్చు, సబ్ట్రాక్ట్, యాడింగ్ విత్ ద సేమ్ నెంబర్ అని కూడా ఉంది కదా. సో ఆల్ ఆర్ కరెక్ట్ అనుకోవచ్చు. బట్ హియర్ డివైడింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ బై సేమ్ నాన్ జీరో నంబర్ అని ఉండాలి. లేదు కాబట్టి ఆప్షన్ డి ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. సెకండ్ వన్, if 2y minus 1 equals to 5, then the value of 5y plus 3 is, okay, see here, 2y minus 1 equals to 5, then 2y equals to 5 plus 1, that is 6, and y equals to 6 by 2. So what is y value? 3. Then 5y plus 3 means 5 into 3 plus 3. 5 3 is 15 plus 3, 18. So here the answer is 18. Changing of term from one side of equation to other side is called transposition. Okay, this is transposition. Next, if the sum of two numbers is 60, one is thrice the other, then the equation formed is, okay, two numbers ఉన్నాయి, ఒక number x అనుకుందాం, second number thrice the other, that means 3x, okay, that is 60. So x plus 3x, 4x is 60. This is the equation. Okay, otherwise you can solve also. X is equal to 60 by 4, that is 15s, and x equals to 15. So what is the equation here? X is equal to 15. Otherwise 4x equals to 60 also you can write. Okay, and if x is a natural number, then the solution of x minus 8 equals to minus 8. Natural number means all are positive numbers only, right? So here minus 8 is there. If we transpose, it is plus 8. 8 minus 8, 0. But 0 is not the natural number, right? So since 0 is not a natural number, this equation has no solution. Okay. has no solution. Next, 13 subtracted from twice of a number gives 3. A number x is there, twice of a number 2x, and 13 subtracted, it gives 3. So 2x minus 13 equals to 3. Okay, this is the equation. Now we want to solve this. Okay, 2x minus 13 equals to 3 means in the place of x, which number we have to substitute? 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 13, 3 only, no? Okay, so what is the value of x? 8. We'll see the solution. So 2x equals to 3 plus 13. 2x equals to 16 and x is equal to 16 by 2. So 8. What is the solution here? X is equal to 8. So we wrote in the blank x is equal to 8. Third one, check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to the given equation or not. So here two equations are given, n equals to 7 and m equals to 10 is the solution of the given equations or not. We have to check. Let us see. So 2n plus 5 equals to 19. Here n is equal to 7 they gave. Okay. So now we want to check. So if we substitute 7 in the place of n, 2 into 7 plus 5 equals to 19. 2 sevens are 14 plus 5 equals to 19. 14 plus 5, 19 equals to 19. LHS equals to RHS. So therefore n equals to 7 is the solution of given equation. Okay. Given equation. So B. In third problem, 3m by 5 minus 7 is equal to 1. M equals to 10 here. So substitute 10 in the place of m. 3 into 10 by 5 minus 7 equals to 1. What is 3 into 10? Okay, you can cancel it 5. 5 ones and 5 twos. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 7 equals to 1. Okay, so what is 6 minus 7? 6 minus 7 is minus 1. Before big number minus is there now, and minus 1 not equals to 1. So LHS not equals to RHS, and we can write m equals to 10 is not a solution of given equation. Okay. So fourth problem, solve 5 minus 2k equals to minus 3 by using trial and error method. So trial and error method means we have to try, and if we get error again we have to try until we get the solution. Okay. So first we'll give k value 0. Here LHS is 5 minus 2k. So if we substitute 0 in the place of k, 5 minus 2 into 0. 2 into 0, 0 only. So 5 minus 0 means 5. What is RHS we have in the problem? That is minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is both are equal. If rendu asalu equal kaadu kada? No. So again we want to take another number to k value. I am taking as 1. So 5 minus 2 into 1, that is 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. So is 3 equals to minus 3? No. So again we want to take another value 2. 5 minus 2 into 2, that is 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Is 1 equals to minus 3? No. So we want to continue again. So if we take 3, 5 minus 2 into 3, that is 5 minus 6. that is minus 1. Is minus 1 equals to minus 3? No. Okay. Again we want to take another value. We'll take 4. 5 minus 2 into 4. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 5 minus 8. 8 minus 5 3. Before big number minus is there. Minus 3. And RHS also minus 3. So minus 3 equals to minus 3. So therefore what is the solution here? K equals to minus 3 is the solution. So therefore K is equal to, sorry, what is K value here? 4. So it's not minus 3. So I am telling RHS. So K equals to 4 is the solution for this equation. Fifth problem. Write the following equations in mathematical statement form. Okay. We want to write the statements here. Okay. First one, 2m plus 7 equals to 21. So 2m means 2 times of m. So we can write 2 times of m plus 7 is 21. Okay. Otherwise, sum of 2 times of m and 7 is 21. Okay. So we can write in any way. Next, our second one, n by 7 equals to 4. So 1/7 of m of n is 4. Otherwise, n is divided by 7 gives 4. Okay. So like this you can write the statements. Sixth problem. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Okay. We want to solve this equation. First one, 7 into x minus 3 equals to 28. So if you multiply this 7 with the terms in the bracket ముందు ఒక నంబర్ ఉంటే bracket లో ఉన్న numbers తోటి multiplication లో ఉంటుంది. So 7 into x, 7x minus 7 into 3, 21 equals to 28. So 7x is equal to 28, and if we transpose minus 21, it comes under addition plus 21. So 7x is equal to 49. Then x is equal to 49. Here it is in multiplication. If we transpose, it comes under division. 7 ones and 7 sevens. So it is x is equal to 7. Okay. So if you want here, you can write distributive property. We distributed now this 7 to x and 3. Okay. Distributive property or distributive law, whatever it is, you can write. Okay. So next, the second problem is 8y minus 9 is equal to 15. Okay. So 8y equals to 15. If we transpose minus 9 to this, it will be plus 9. 8y. So 15 plus 9, how much? If we add, it is 24. Y equals to 24 by 8. 8 3s are 24. So y equals to 3 is the solution here. Okay. Seventh one, solve the following equations and check the result. Method of transposition they ask. So we will solve. We have to solve and we have to do the checking also. So first one, 9 into a plus 3 plus 7 is equal to 22. So if we take 9 into the bracket, a 9 bracket లోపలికి తీసుకొని వెళ్తే 9 into a 9a plus 9 into 3 9 into 3 plus 7 equals to 22. So 9a, 9 3s are 27 plus 7 is equal to 22. So 9a, 27 plus 7 how much? 27 plus 3 30 and it is 4, 34. So 22. 9a equals to 22. If we transpose it is minus na, minus 34. So if we subtract, we'll get 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. Before big number minus is there. So this is minus 12. Okay. Then a equals to minus 12. If we transpose this 9, so 3 fours and 3 threes. So finally here a value minus 4 by 3. Now we will see the checking. So for checking, we will take LHS. LHS is equal to 9 into a plus 3 plus 7. Okay. Now substitute a minus 4 by 3 here. So if we substitute 9 into minus 4 by 3 plus 3 plus 7. So 9 into minus 4 plus 3 into 3, 9 by 3 plus 7. 3 into 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 4, 5. 3 into 5 plus 7. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 7 equals to 22. This is our RHS. So hence verified. Okay. Next problem. Our second problem. 25 equals to 18 minus 7 into b minus 6. So 25 equals to 18 minus 7 into b, 7b, minus into minus plus 7 6 are 42. Okay. Then 25 equals to 42 plus 18. 42 plus 8, 50. 50 plus 10, 60. Minus 7. So if we transpose 60 to this side, 25 minus 60 is equal to minus 7b. So first 60 minus 20 means 40. 40 minus 5, 35. So before big number minus is there. So it is minus 35 minus 7b. So minus minus both sides will get cancelled. So if we transpose 7 to this side, it comes under division. Right. So 7 ones and 7 5s. So what is the solution here? B equals to 5 is the solution. Now we'll see the checking. So for checking, I took RHS here. So 18, because variable is in RHS. 18 minus 7 into. So what is the value of B we get? B equals to 5. So substitute that 5. 5 minus 6. 18 minus 7 into minus 1. 5 minus 6 minus 1. So 18 minus into minus plus 7 into 1, 7. 18 plus 7. 18 plus 2, 20 and 1 5 is the 25. So this is the LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified.